Are you tired of running to the drive-thru just for that perfect, chewable nugget ice? Or maybe you're hosting a party and your fridge's ice maker can't keep up with the demand for icy cocktails and sodas. This Antarctic Star Nugget Countertop ice maker is here to solve those problems and elevate your beverage game. This compact, stainless steel beauty delivers 34 pounds of soft, chewable pellet ice daily, mimicking the beloved Sonic ice texture that's perfect for chilling drinks without diluting flavors. Let's dive into why this Pebble ice machine is a must-have for your kitchen or office, and how it transforms everyday hydration into a delightful experience. The problem it solves. Nothing ruins a refreshing drink faster than subpar ice. Traditional ice cubes melt quickly, watering down your whiskey, iced coffee, or lemonade. Running out of ice during a barbecue or office happy hour is a hassle, and store-bought bags are inconvenient and costly. The Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker addresses these pain points by producing chewable, restaurant-quality nugget ice in minutes, ensuring your drinks stay cold, flavorful, and ready whenever you need them. Say goodbye to frequent ice runs and hello to endless icy bliss. Why choose the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker? This Pebble portable ice machine isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a game-changer for anyone who loves perfectly chilled beverages. With its one-click operation, self-cleaning function, and compact design, it's built for convenience and performance. Here's a closer look at what makes this ice maker stand out. Lightning-fast ice production. Fill the 1.1-liter water tank, and within 7 to 10 minutes, you'll have soft, chewable pellet ice ready to cool your drinks. Producing up to 34 pounds in 24 hours, this machine ensures you never run out. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a quiet evening at home, Sonic-style nugget ice. Unlike hard, traditional ice cubes, this machine creates chewy, porous nugget ice that absorbs drink flavors while melting slowly. Perfect for cocktails, sodas, or even snacking, it elevates every sip without diluting your beverage. User-friendly and quiet. With a low-noise compressor, under 40 decibels, quieter than a whisper, this ice maker won't disrupt your kitchen or office vibe. The transparent lid lets you monitor the ice-making process, and the one-button operation makes it so simple that anyone can use it. Hassle-free maintenance. The self-cleaning function takes the chore out of upkeep. Just press the ice/clean button for 5 seconds, and the machine runs a 15-minute cleaning cycle, ensuring your ice stays fresh and clean with minimal effort. Space-saving design. Measuring just 9.06 by 11.81 by 12.99 inches, this sleek, stainless steel black ice maker fits on any countertop, from cozy kitchens to office break rooms. Its portable handle makes it easy to move for barbecues, camping, or parties. Key benefits of the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker. Enhanced drink experience. The soft, chewable pellet ice cools drinks faster and melts slower, preserving the flavor of your whiskey, iced tea, or smoothie without the watery mess of traditional cubes. Time and money saver. No more trips to Sonic or buying expensive ice bags. With 34 pounds of ice daily, this machine meets all your needs, from daily hydration to hosting large gatherings. Effortless operation and maintenance. The one-click operation and self-cleaning feature make it a breeze to use and maintain, saving you time and ensuring consistently fresh ice. Perfect for. The Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker is ideal for home entertainers. Perfect for hosting barbecues, cocktail parties, or family gatherings where ice is in high demand. Office settings. Keeps employees hydrated with refreshing, restaurant-style ice for coffee, water, or break-room beverages. Ice enthusiasts. If you love chewing Sonic-style ice or want premium ice for your drinks, this machine delivers the texture and quality you crave. Small space dwellers. Its compact footprint makes it a great fit for apartments, RVs, or small offices without sacrificing performance. Outdoor adventurers. Portable and easy to transport, it's a fantastic addition to camping trips, tailgates, or backyard parties. Real user insights. Users rave about the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker for its ability to produce chewy, Sonic-like ice that transforms their drinks. Many appreciate the compact size and quiet operation, making it a seamless addition to their kitchens or offices. Some note that the ice can melt in the reservoir if not used quickly, but transferring it to a freezer bag solves this issue. Others praise the self-cleaning feature for keeping maintenance simple, though a few mention the need for filtered water to ensure the best tasting ice. Overall, its value for money and reliability make it a top choice for nugget ice lovers. How it works. Using the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker is as easy as 1-2-3:1. Fill the 1.1-liter water tank to the max line. Point 2. Press the ICE/clean button to start ice production. Point 3. Watch through the transparent lid as soft, chewable nuggets fill the basket in minutes. When it's time to clean, simply add a water vinegar mix, press the button for 5 seconds, and let the machine do the rest. The indicator lights alert you when the water is low or the basket is full, so you're always in control. Why nugget ice? Nugget ice, also known as pebble or sonic ice, is a cut above traditional cubes. Its soft, porous texture makes it chewable and perfect for absorbing drink flavors, while its slow-melting design keeps beverages cold longer without diluting them. Whether you're crafting a Moscow Mule, chilling a latte, or serving oysters on a bed of ice, this machine delivers the premium ice quality you'd expect from your favorite fast food joint, right at home. Potential considerations. While the Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker is a stellar performer, a few things to keep in mind. Ice storage. The machine doesn't have a cold-keeping function, so ice may melt in the reservoir over time. Store excess ice in a freezer bag for longer-lasting use. Noise level. Though quieter than many competitors, it produces a low hum around 40 decibels during operation, which most users find unobtrusive. Water quality. For the best tasting ice, use filtered water to avoid any off flavors. Why buy now? The Antarctic Star Nugget Ice Maker is a budget-friendly alternative to pricier models like the GE Opal, offering comparable performance at a fraction of the cost. Its sleek stainless steel design, high output, and ease of use make it a no-brainer for anyone who loves nugget ice. Whether you're upgrading your home bar, keeping the office hydrated, or planning your next outdoor adventure, this machine delivers restaurant-quality ice without the hassle or expense. Join the nugget ice revolution. Don't settle for boring, fast-melting ice cubes that ruin your drinks. The Antarctic Star Nugget Countertop Ice Maker brings the chewy, crunchy joy of sonic ice to your fingertips. With its fast ice production, user-friendly features, and compact portability, it's the ultimate solution for ice lovers everywhere. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this game-changing ice maker yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.